Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these delicious snacks using banana, egg, and all-purpose flour. Let's get started. I will start by mixing 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon. Then in another bowl, I'll peel and add my 2 well-ripe medium-sized bananas and mash with a fork. After mashing the banana, I'll then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add less or more depending on your taste or the taste of the people you are making it for. After that, I'll also add 1 egg to it. After mixing this, I'll then bring back the flour mix and mix the two together. I will also add half tablespoon of butter or margarine. You can use melted butter or melted margarine for this. I couldn't melt mine. I also add half a cup of milk. And if you have banana flavor, you can also add that. I don't have banana flavor and I don't want any other flavor in this. So I'm leaving it plain like that with the we'll now go to the final step, which is frying it. Add some oil into your frying pot or pan. When it is hot enough, then we start frying. I'm using hand here, but you can use spoon or any method that is comfortable for you. After frying on one side for a few minutes, flip to the other side and also fry. And you continue to fry this until they are well fried and they go. And I will continue to fry the rest of it until I'm done. If you want it in rounder shape, then use this method I'm using in this particular one now. If you check, you see that the first method was rough, but this one is a kind of smoother and rounder in shape. You can use this method and fry it until also done and golden brown. Buns are ready. And this was so simple to put together, wasn't it? Anybody can make this. Once you have your banana, your flour, and the egg in the house, you can make this. So I hope you give this a try. It is very, very delicious. I bet you, very delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.